Here is how you can block certain websites on Android. So let's get started. If this is your first time in here, definitely subscribe for more tips and tutorials like this one. So you would open up your settings as usual. And a part of the digital well-being and parental controls, you can see your data usage for some time, whatever. But below you have these parental controls. So you can tap on it. It's going to basically go through the Google link app. So Google Family Link, right? So it's like this application which kind of like controls the usage of this device. It might ask you to like update the app if you haven't used it, if you haven't ever used it, basically. But inside of this application, you have the ability to block some things on Google Play, like in terms of apps or the websites, Google Photos, whatever. But you just want to go to the Google Chrome and web, which is gonna either allow all sites or try to block explicit sites. So you can basically select that and basically rely on this to block the website that you don't want to be seen. Or you can as well go to the blocked sites and add any URL which you don't want this phone to access ever. So if you have something very specific, you can just type it in right here and it's not going to work. And this is pretty simple to do. You just basically add the websites right here and you are done. You can as well go to the advanced settings where there are the permissions, extensions, and on a device site data. So you can basically do some more things in here. But other than that, you are done with it. In case you have any further questions about this topic, I would really love to hear your thoughts and opinions below. For now, that's it, and I'm gonna catch you in other future uploads as well.